Let's begin the video with a few warm-up questions. Question 1. Which of the following is a common farm animal? Lion, cow, whale, eagle. Question 2. Which of these animals is commonly found on a farm? Tiger, sheep, shark, penguin. Think you know the answers? If you got them right, congratulations. If not, don't worry, we'll be diving into this topic in today's video. Welcome back to Explified, your go-to channel for mastering English vocabulary. In today's video, we're learning about farm animals. By the end of this video, you'll know the names of various farm animals, where they live, and how to identify them in conversations. Plus, we have some fun quizzes to test your knowledge. Let's get started. What are farm animals? Farm animals are domesticated animals that are raised on farms for various purposes, such as providing food, wool, or labor. These animals play a crucial role in agriculture and rural life. Why is it important to know farm animals? Knowing the names of farm animals helps us understand agricultural practices. Example, knowing which animals provide milk or eggs. Communicate effectively about farm life. Example, talking about visits to a farm or agricultural activities. Enhance our vocabulary and knowledge. Example, learning new words and facts about farm animals. Examples of farm animals. Cow, raised for milk and meat. Sheep, known for their wool and meat. Chicken, raised for eggs and meat. Pig, raised for meat. Horse, used for labor and riding. Goat, raised for milk, meat, and wool. Duck, raised for eggs, meat, and feathers. Turkey, raised for meat. Rabbit, raised for meat and fur. Donkey, used for labor and transportation. Where do these animals live? Farm animals typically live in specific areas on the farm. Cows and goats, often found in barns and pastures. Sheep, kept in fields or enclosures. Chickens and ducks, kept in coops or pens. Pigs, raised in pigsties or pens. Horses and donkeys, kept in stables or fields. Rabbits, housed in hutches. Farm animals in sentences. The cow gives fresh milk every morning. They shear the sheep for wool in the spring. Chickens lay eggs daily. The piglets are playing in the mud. He rides his horse every weekend. Goats can eat almost anything. The ducks are swimming in the pond. They are raising turkeys for Thanksgiving. Rabbits need a lot of space to hop around. The donkey helps carry heavy loads. It's quiz time. Now, let's test your knowledge with some quizzes. Ready? Question 1. Which of the following is a common farm animal? Lion, cow, whale, eagle. Answer, cow. Question 2. Which of these animals is commonly found on a farm? Tiger, sheep, shark, penguin. Answer, sheep. Question 3. Identify the farm animal in this sentence. The chickens are pecking at the grains. Chickens, pecking, grains, at. Answer, chickens. Question 4. Which sentence describes a farm animal? The lion roared in the jungle. The cow grazes in the field. The whale swam in the ocean. The eagle soared in the sky. Answer, the cow grazes in the field. Question 5. Find the farm animal in this sentence. They are raising ducks on the farm. They, raising, ducks, farm. Answer, ducks. Question 6. Which of these is a common farm animal? Dolphin, dinosaur, goat, dragon. Answer, goat. Awesome. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. That's it for today's video on farm animals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Explified for more fun learning tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep practicing, and you'll be a vocabulary pro in no time. Thanks for watching Explified, where our ideas are shared and your thoughts are cared. See you next time.